Hi, I'm Sampriti, and I can continue to carry my own water bottle and my grocery bag as I've been doing so since quite a few years, months. Yeah, I do that just because I feel good about it to say no to single use plastic, and yeah, I'll continue to do so.
So I'm Aniket Shevde, and I'm pledging today to stop my habit of using elevators and use stairs instead for the next 30 days at least. I believe this will result in lesser energy consumption and reduce the carbon footprint I leave.
Hi, I'm Aharna, and I pledge to sort of talk more about the climate crisis and the immediate environmental and social issues that are going to affect us or are affecting us to with people in my immediate social circle, which will help us move towards a society which is more aware as consumers and active citizens. So yeah.
I am Ishan Ghosh, and one small way that I can do something for the environment is to stop drinking carbonated drinks, because that's one thing that I love doing right now, but I feel that I want to stop doing that, and then I can nudge other people to also do the switch. And reduce your carbon footprint, get rid of all these unnecessary carbon emissions.
Hi, I'm Siddharth Paliwal. I would like to start walking more, stop using lifts, and use public transport instead of personal cabs to reduce my carbon footprint and energy consumption.
This is Godhuli Chatterjee, and I can use only a required amount of water. So this will be a contribution from my side in water saving movement.
I'm Kavin. I would like to turn off the lights and fans whenever it's unnecessary. Then also, wherever I see a plastic, I would like to take and put it in a dustbin that I have been doing for some long time. I would like to continue that. In fact, I want to conserve energy, and I don't want to see a soil with the plastics.
My name is Aniket Ranjangarkar, and I can avoid eating packaged food and bottled water. So in packaged food, I like to eat something like biscuits and juice and all that which is coming in Tetra Pak, so that cannot be recycled. And similarly to water, bottle 1 liter of water, 20 liters of water is wasted before that. So we can see that video on Story of Stuff, which is about bottled water.